Jamal, a camel tall, walking proudly, never falls. Ha is for Hibal, a lovely rope, climbing up we never mope. Ha is for Karoof, a fluffy sheep, soft and cozy when it sleeps. Dal is for Deshais, a hen so neat, lays fresh eggs, what a treat. Tal is for Dub, a lizard so shy, hiding away when people pass by. Ra is for Ramen, red and round, pomegranates juicy, the best I've found. Za is for Zarafa, tall and neat, Agiraf with spots and long thin feet. Sin is for Samak, swimming so free, a fish in the ocean just like the sea. Sheen is for Shams, shining so bright, giving us warmth and golden light. Sad is for Sadiq, a friend so true, always there for me and you. Dad is for Daw, a glowing light, shining softly in the night. Ta is for Tariq, a road so wide, where cars and buses smoothly glide. Za is for Zaytun, green and small, olives are tasty, I love them all. Is for Inat, purple and sweet, a bunch of grapes, a fruity treat. Gain is for Gurab, a black crow high, flapping its wings up in the sky. Fa is for Phil, an elephant grand, with big strong legs and a trunk like a hand. Kaf is for Kamar, glowing so white, the beautiful moon lights up the night. Kaf is for Kitab, a book to read, full of stories, yes indeed. Lam is for Laban, fresh and cool, milk so tasty, it keeps us full. Neem is for Nida, a shiny key, opens doors for you and me. Moon is for Nakhla, a tall palm tree, with dates so sweet for you and me. Ha is for Hilu, something so sweet, like honey or candy, what a treat. Wow is for Warda, a flower so bright, blooming lovely in the morning light. Lamb, a leaf, the male, the night so deep, under the stars we dream and sleep. Hamza's for Asma, a name so grand, called the outlaw across the land. Yeah, it's for Yasmin, a flower so fine, with petals soft like silk divine. Yeah, is for Yak, a hand so small, helps me write and catch my ball. Let's sing together.